for success. And we have no idea what we're doing.
So guys, hopefully I don't get copyrighted, but I'm just using this movie because it's got a bunch of colors. Show you guys my my lights. So in the back, it's just got a bunch of LEDs, and they match the what's on the TV. It's not perfect sometimes, you know, but pretty close. Also, I'm not good at building, but I tried making a little box for it, but it came out a little bad. I'm gonna have to buy something better. But the lights work, and I used the Raspberry Pi and an Arduino. So it's just a random YouTube video, but it shows like different colors and stuff. So, you know, pretty good. Like, I think the pink's a little bit off, but it looks pretty cool when you're watching the movie and there's like explosions. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys.